Man, check out this little pocket rocket right here, man. Man, this thing's something else, man. A little 1911-22. A little 1911-22. I never seen one before. I can't even lie. Man, this thing is featherweight, bro. Featherweight. That's how much it weighs. Feather, like a feather. Man, I can't even lie. This thing clean, bro. Let's see. Let's see if she accurate like a 1911. Safety off. Let's see if she accurate like a 1911. Sound off. She sounding off. She sounding off. She sounding off, y'all. Oh, man. Y'all know me. I'm Black Rambo. Let's see what that bus bout. Boy. Now, this is nice, y'all. I can't even... Oh! Oh! Good catch. Oh! Good catch. Oh, I'm getting off the phone. Gotta go.